JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, 42 members of cult held by police following ritual killings. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.
Jamaica.
Untold thousands of people will be vaporized. Jamaica, your hour has come and now is. Your hour where you are being saved. I stand in your altars and see that they are defiled. So my word has come to judge both those who profess to be and are not. For in darkness you participate in evil and wickedness, and you spilled innocent blood. As Haiti has been rocked, so shall you be shaken.
Some 42 members of the St. James Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministries are currently in police custody following Sunday's standoff with members of the security force, says Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson. Anderson, speaking to reporters on Monday afternoon, shared that 31 women and 11 men have been detained for questioning. Commissioner Anderson also noted that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is also in custody, and there are suspicions that other police personnel are involved.
Behind us is the scene of it's Pathways International Church, where we had an incident last night. A congregant here, a member of this church, who had been injured apparently when she chose to disobey some instructions given to her by the leaders of this organization, reported to the police that she had been injured, and other information that led us to believe that the persons here were at risk. We're aware that 144 congregants had been told to come here, to meet here. And on responding to that report from the person who was injured and coming here, the first teams of police that arrived were shot at, and so they waited on reinforcements to come. We were very concerned that some form of ritualized killing was going to take place here, and so we did an entry last night. We found that there were a couple of people who had been injured by other members of the church, and we secured the premises, held the people. I think there were about some 14 children, was it? 14 children there, and we have 31 women now, so we see that as a rescue of these children based on what we saw when we came in, that there are cult-like behaviors and cult-like a setup that we have seen here.
JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.